We are going to solve this 8th problem now. Harsha Company Limited issued 10,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 5 per share. Okay? Yes. So, rupees 10 on application, rupees 50 on allotment, your premium you need to give, and rupees 45 on first and final call. Okay? Yes. So, first you'll write the format, journal entries, date, particulars, LF, ledger folio it is, small column is enough. This is debit rupees, credit rupees. So the first entry always starts, as you know students, it is bank account debtor to share application account. Yes, bank account debtor to share application account. Why bank account debtor? Because money comes inside. Whenever the money comes inside, bank account will increase. So the asset increases. So bank account debtor to share application amount. Share application account. So how will you write the amount? Okay, how many shares are there? Preference shares 10,000. See, so what I'm doing here now? Yes, in the bracket you can just write here 10,000 shares into what is the rate? Application rate is how much? Rupees 10 on application at the helidare. So into 10 you do. So when you multiply, you will get, yes, 1 lakh after that. Isn't it? Then here, nothing. Here you'll write 1 lakh. Isn't it? Yes, please write your rupees. Then write the narration. Bean share application money received on 10,000 shares at rupees 10 per share. Yes, Bean share application money received. Money receive agide on 10,000 shares at rupees 10 per share. Okay. Yes. Now the second entry. Second entry, remember, the share application will be debited. So share application account debtor to preference share capital. Students, in the question if they are giving here preference anta helidre, share capital munde you need to write preference. I will repeat it once again. In the question when they give preference share or equity shares, share capital munde you need to write preference to preference share capital, or equity idre to equity share capital account. Okay, remember that point. So now Bean share application money transfer to share capital account. This is the second entry. Always same it is. So share application money is transferred to this share capital account. Amount is the same. Do they same money? Just copy and write 1 lakh. Yes. Okay, 2 entries are done, students. Bank account debtor to share application account debtor to preference share capital account. Yes. Okay, so you have finished the first step. Application ge entry agide. Now for allotment, rupees 50 on allotment including premium anta helidare. Okay, here premium you have to give. So allotment ge what is the entry? Yes, we know that is right now share allotment account debtor to preference share capital. Just now I told whenever share capital bandre preference bariri, because in this question preference they have told. So to preference share capital account to securities premium. Yes, premium account is credited. Yes, so it is a gain premium. Okay, ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ, whenever they give this premium ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ it is a gain to the company. It is gain to this Harsha company. Okay, so it is a credited. Okay, yes, so securities premium account and the open module. So allotment alli if there is premium, what is the entry? Share allotment account debtor to preference share capital account to securities premium account. Okay, now how to write the amount? See here in the bracket here, just write what is the total shares. Yes, same amount same ittade 10,000, isn't it? Into here also, for this also 10,000 into ಈ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ 10,000 into. Okay, okay. Share allotment, what is the rate? See here, allotment ಅಲ್ಲಿ rate ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Yes, rupees 50 they have told, isn't it? Rupees 50. So into 50 you do here. Okay, yes. Premium what they have told? Securities premium what they have told in the questions here. First ಗೆ at premium of rupees 5 per share. Premium rate is 5. So securities premium here I am putting 5. Yes, here what it will become? 50 minus 5 is what? Yes, it is 45. Okay, So what did I do? 10,000 I wrote all. Here allotment rate is 50 given in the question. Yes, securities rate is a 5. It is given in the question. See, allotment rate is a 50. Premium rate is a 5. Okay? Multiply. This minus ಮಾಡಿ here I wrote. So multiply now. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get a, yes, 5 lakh you get. Isn't it? 5 lakh. Then here when you multiply you will get 4,50,000. Credit side I am writing because see entry is in credit side. Here it will come securities premium you will get, yes, 50,000. Where entry you have written no ade line alli amount pass ಮಾಡಿ, don't write the amount here. Yes, okay. So allotment entry you have written. Write the narration. Being share allotment money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 50 per share. Isn't it? Allotment money due on 10,000 shares. Rate eno at 50 per share. Yes, okay. Now for the money received, allotment money is received by the company. So whenever money receive agide andre bank account debtor ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Remember that. So fourth entry will be bank account debtor to which amount you have got? To share allotment account. Yes, I'll repeat the entry. Here money is received. E allotment money idella is received by the company. So whenever the money is received, bank increases, asset increases. So bank account debtor to share allotment account. Yes, amount how much to write? See here what I'm writing. How much money is received? Yes, there is no need to calculate students. Again simply allotment alli amount eshtiದೆ 5 lakh alla same amount you copy and write. Yes, share allotment amount is how much here? 5 lakh. Same amount you will copy and write here. Okay, simply there is no need to again calculate. Ade same irtade for all the problems, it is same. Okay, the first 4 entries is same for all the problems. Securities premium anta kottidre you need to write here. Remember students. Yes, illi premium including illi premium anta kottidre in allotment here there will one entry that is securities premium has to be credited. Okay, so first 4 entries we have done. Please write the narration. Fourth, being share allotment money received. Being share allotment money received. Okay, yes. Now we will pass the entry for see the question which all entry pass agide. Application entry you have passed. That is first 2 entries for application. Then what they are telling, application aad nanತರ what is their allotment. Allotment ige 2 entries are passed here. 1, 2. Yes. Okay, next entry is for that is rupees 45 on first and final call. Yes, first and final call. Application entry is done, allotment entry is done. Now first and final call ige entry there. Yes, rupees 45 on first and final call. See how I'm writing the entry. Write here like this. Yes, share first and final call account debtor to preference share capital account. I told you share capital idre adarkinta munche preference to preference share capital account. So what is the journal entry? Share first and final call account debtor to preference share capital account. Okay, so how to write the amount? Yes, number of shares is how much total? Yes, 10,000. Adu same irtade for all. Preference here also 10,000 into what is the rate? Rate ಏನಿದೆ first and final call ಗೆ? Yes, 45. So 10,000 into 45 you do. Into 45. So when you multiply you will get here, yes, 4,50,000, isn't it? Here also same line alli, right? 4,50,000. Isn't it? So share first and final call account debtor to preference share capital account. Entry you have passed on money. Now narration. Being share first and final call money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 45 per share. So being share first and final call money due. Due andre money has to be received. Innu receive aglilla. On how many shares? Eshtu? Yes, 10,000 shares. At how much rupees? See this, 45. At rupees 45 per share. You don't need to buy hard this. Ad automatic bartade. So on how many shares you have given? 10,000 shares. At rupees eshtu? 45 per share. Okay, yes. Now the first and final call money received ige. Yavattu ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ received ige entry yavattu bank account debtor. So write this. Bank account debtor to share first and final call account. Here what it was? Bank account debtor to share allotment money. Share allotment account. Allotment money was received here, isn't it? Iga here first and final call money will be received. So bank account debtor to share first and final call account. Okay, but how much money is received? There is one adjustment given, students. They are telling, see, all the shares were subscribed and the money duly received except the first and final call on 500 shares. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 500 shares ಇದು ಮನಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, I will repeat it once again. Money has received, but except on this first and final call, 500 shares money has not received by the company. Okay, so what will be the entry? See here, what I will do, see. Now student, how many shares are there total? See rough figure, 10,000 shares are there. How much money is not received? They are telling 500, isn't it? 10,000 minus 500 is what? Yes, 9,500. Okay, this is one simple. You don't have to write this in the accounts. Okay, here, nimma understanding again. Yes, so now here, how much money it will be received now? Yes, 9,500 into how much money? What is the money? First and final call the money is there 45 into 4. See, call rate is how much? 45 into 45 you will do. Yes, when you multiply you will get, yes, please use your calculator, 4,27,500. Yes, 4,27,500. Okay, why did I write 9,500? Once again I will tell you, students, because here it is told all the shares were subscribed and the money duly received except first and final call on 500 shares. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ 500 shares ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. I will repeat it once again. It means all the shares money they have received except this first on final call 500 shares money they have not received. So that's why what I did, total shares was 10,000. Yes, 10,000 minus 500 I did. So 9,500. So 9,500 into rate is what? 45. You multiply. Okay. So 6 entries are done, students. Yes. Okay. Now the most important entry, a little different, that is for forfeiture. 7th entry it is. The journal entry will be actually share capital account. But here in the question, preference word they have used. If they have used preference word, you will write here preference share capital. In the question, if they have told equity and the word idre, here you will write equity share capital account. Okay, so write preference share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to share first and final call account. Yes, this is the entry same for all the problems. Yes, I'll repeat it once again. Preference share capital account debtor. Yes, then you have to credit to forfeited shares account to share first and final call account. Yes, okay. Amount how to write? Okay, how many shares are cancelled on how many money you did not get? Just now in the question we saw, just now is how many shares the money you have not got? 500. So what I'm doing, see students here, please see here carefully. You will write 500 here. 500 into this also 500 into, because this many shares is forfeited. 500 into multiply. Yes, 500 shares again multiply you should do. What is the rate? Share capital rate is what? Total our rate. See here it is 100, isn't it? So here always into 100. Yes, share first and final call rate is what? Share first and final call rate is 45. So here into 45 it will become. So what to write here? It is easy. 100 minus 45 you do. 100 minus 45 is 55. Here you put here. Yes, I will tell once again. 500 shares cancel agide alla, because on 500 shares money you did not get. Okay, so here 500 into 500 into 500 into madi. Share capital rate is 100. Share first final call rate is 45 given in the question. 100 minus 45 you do, you will get 55. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So when you multiply you will get yes, here you are going to get 50,000. Here you multiply, you will get I'm writing in credit side wise here. Entry is in credit side. So 27,500. This please write in the same line. Do not write here. Write here. Yes, when you multiply, you will get 22,500. Okay. Yes. Write the entry. Journal. Write the narration. Be in a forfeiture of how many share? 500 preference share for non-payment of final call on rupees 5 per share. Yes, okay, that is been forfeiture of 500 share. How many shares forfeit agide? 500 shares for the non payment of final call. Yes, final call money do amount they have not given, rupees 5 per share. Okay, yes, okay. Now next is for the amount received. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to preference share capital reissue agide. See, 500 shares mele you have not received alla, the same shares is been forfeited, is been reissued again. Illi kottidare nodi, the director forfeited the shares and reissued at 80 per 80 each. The directors forfeited the shares and reissued. See, director forfeited the shares, ee sentence ge entry is this seventh entry. Okay, the directors forfeited the shares antra e entry we have given. After that what they're telling, and reissue at 80 each. Reissue ge entry is entry 8th one. Reissue agide. See, whenever again issue madidre money increases in the bank, money company receives. So bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to preference shares capital account. Yes, bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to preference shares capital account. Yes, so amount how will you write? Yes, how many shares were reissued? 500 into, here also 500 into, even here 500 into. Rate ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ is given in the question. How much ಯಾವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗೆ reissue ಆಗಿದೆ? See, reissue at 80 each ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, 80. So this into 80 you need to do. Into 80. Yes, share capital we know. Share capital is always 100. Remember, into 100. This, okay. So 100 minus 80 is how much? Yes, it is 20. That 20 will come for forfeiture. Yes, so what did I do? 500 into 500 into 500 we have to write. Bank reissue rate is 80. It is given in the question. Here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ reissue rate is 80 ಅಂತ. So I have written here 80. Share capital rate is always 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು change ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. It is given in the question first ಗೆ. First sentence is there, no, here 100 that. Okay. So 100 minus 80 is 20. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ. This multiply. When you multiply you get here 40,000 account debtor debit side. So here you are writing 10,000. Yes, please write on the same. Illi when you multiply this both you will get 50,000. Yes, see, debit credit amount should be same. See, 40 plus 10 is 50,000, here 50,000 equal. Okay, last one entry is the same, forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. The amount has to be transferred to the capital reserve. So forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. This one entry you need to pass. Amount how to write? See here. See students, your forfeited entry amount is how much? Forfeited shares entry is how much? 27,500, right? Illi baridi 27,500 minus your forfeited amount how much you got? That is 10,000 minus 10,000 you do. When you minus you will get 17,500. Here you write 17,500. I will tell this once again. Forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. Amount ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? Here forfeiture ಗೆ amount what did you write? 27,500, isn't it? So 27,500 minus here. Minus this forfeited shares here 10,000. Yes, idridu credit side and amount, this amount minus this amount. So when you minus you will get 17,500, 17,500. Last you write entry being a balance in forfeited shares account. Yes, transferred to capital reserve. This right here capital reserve being balance in forfeited shares transferred to capital reserve. Thank you.